All right, guys, 2024. We're out here on the property, checking out a beautiful day in February. Thought I'd make a quick video update. I know I haven't been posting anything lately, so let me take you down to the valley and let me give you a quick update. What up, guys? Welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. I know it's been some time since I haven't posted a video, but at the same time I thought I owe you guys this update video. Thank you guys for subscribing, hitting that thumbs up, supporting the channel. So let me give you a quick run through what's been going on in this channel, why I haven't been posting for a while. I apologize for that, but at the same time there's an explanation to that, so let's get to it. So beautiful view where I'm at. You guys are familiar with the valley here in the property, and enough with the BS. You know, guys, I've just been dealing with a lot mentally, physically at the same time. You guys recall in the last update video, I was in a car accident summer of 2023, which took a toll on my personal life. I had to slow down on a lot of stuff. You guys, whoever's been in a car accident, you guys know what I'm talking about, especially when you've been severely injured. Thank God I wasn't drastically injured, but at the same time now I'm noticing the repercussions of that accident. Right now I'm dealing with a lot of pain in my lower back, the discs that were injured. It's cold out here in California right now, so I'm not really in the mood to be outdoors wrenching and just working out. It's a pain I'm dealing with. So hopefully you guys can understand that, why I haven't been posting videos. You guys can see Monstar. There's a lot of upgrades that I've done already just on the front end. I'm not going to point them out specifically, but you guys can see off the video. And I'm going to be posting these videos eventually if you're interested. But right now everything's been put on hold. I have a lot more upgrades that I want to do, specifically the suspension, but like I mentioned, I just been dealing with a lot right now, and then a lot of personal stuff. I put my family in priority this last year, and so everything's been put on hold. But at the same time, I have a lot of videos that I want to post, and I'm gonna post them, guys. The big one that I'm gonna be posting soon is the big upgrade on the Jeep YJ. It's not down here right now, but you guys are gonna see it. I gave you guys a hint. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably saw a quick hint, and then the previous video I did a quick poll to my subscribers. Hopefully next time you guys can join in and join the fun. But yeah, I did a quick poll on what to do with the Jeep YJ, so that video is coming up fast. And then obviously all the upgrades that I've done on Monstar, those will be coming pretty soon, I think. So just be patient with me, guys. Like I said, it's very tough. It really annoys me and it really pisses me off that my health was jeopardized because of someone being irresponsible. And we'll just leave it at that. I'm not going to go too much into it just because it depresses me and it really upsets me. So I'm not going to go too much into it. But, you know, I'm alive. I'm walking. I'm not in a wheelchair. Could have been worse. Real worse. So at least I guess I can say like maybe 60-70% okay. Hopefully I can get back to myself one day, but I kind of doubt it based on what everyone's been telling me. Once you've been injured, especially your back, it's kind of tough to get back to 100%. So, and then obviously as we grow older in age, it's not easy. So, but I'm going to try to get myself back into shape, back into my mental strength. Just get everything as close as I can to 100%. And I appreciate you guys following, subscribing to my channel, hitting that thumbs up. Just know that I'm still going to come through. Our channel is still small, but at the same time, it's cool. You know, I don't mind having a small group of subscribers. Hopefully just my content is informative and helpful to you guys. That's all I'm all about. And I'm going to be sharing some of the biggest news in my life that's been going on. What has been taking priority. Obviously, this channel is about my builds and what I'd wrench on Monstar, both Monstar and El Jefe, the JL and the YJ. But at the same time, I want to share what I'm doing and what I plan to do, hopefully. As you guys can see, just a beautiful day out here in Southern California. It's mid-February right now, and it's beautiful weather. Just beautiful weather all around. So guys, that's just a quick update I wanted to share with you guys. Comment down below if you have any questions. Like I said, just be patient with me. I really appreciate your patience, and I appreciate the new subscribers that are joining in. Just be patient with me, guys. Just understand that I'm dealing with a little bit of pain on my lower back, and that's just taking a toll. But I'm not making excuses because I'm gonna go through it and pull through, and we're gonna get back to it. And I'm gonna be posting videos, so make sure you check out those videos, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below your ideas, your questions. For all of you guys that have commented, you know I'm pretty quick about responding, so thank you guys for chiming in. Just all I ask is just be patient with me, guys, and I owe you these videos, and they're gonna come out. So other than that, this is Monstar and Jay signing off. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Later.